Guys, we're in our video. Today I have some blue juice. That makes me a lot better. So let's go start. So we're playing superhero simulator today. And not PvP. Whoa. Whoa. That's amazing. So guys, let's go start. Ooh, big ones, bosses. I'm gonna kick. Kicking.
So I was talking to him, and then here, yeah. And then I was wondering, like, so are you going to do this? It looks like it's open, right? It was open in the front. I told him on the other side there's a stove, so they're not put this thing there. So I asked him, so is this open in here? Is this open? Because the one in the picture is not open, it was closed. Said, yeah, it's open. She said, is it open? The one, the front. You want go Facebook? I can't. I mean the one when you go enter, right? Supposedly there's a little like doorway, right?
Not doorway.
It's like a way.
An entryway.
Entryway, right? So that one there is open. She put that open. And I told him, I thought it's supposed to be like there's something closing in here.
Not closing, it's just a pathway.
It's a pathway, yeah. So, no, he said no, because it was the one in the picture, it was sideways. It was the houses in the front. So, it takes more. Ours is 16. This one, Parabola, is 16, because we put more like the grill. This is bigger, this is longer. That's why it's like, looks like long. So he said it's open, so I want it to be closed, not really closed. I want to have pathway, right? Because I like that way, right?
Like a tiki bar?
So he said, this is, because he said it's gonna be more cost. I told him, that's what you told me before. This is what I expect. So if you want me to do it, I'm just gonna go not charge on the labor. I'm just gonna charge on the stone, because the stone is. He said it's expensive. You already buy all the stuff. And then I told him that I expect that one. And then I thought that's the one you're going to make that to me. So he told me it's different because the other side is long. And then he said, so I'm not too sure. So the extension when you're wrapping that, it's not included in that. I know. That's what I said. So that's why we open it. It's open. It's a little bigger. He said it's important. That's 16 by. That's why we put it more longer. So it's open. So that's supposed to be. So we put it in some space in the room. So he said, you told me so it's gonna cost. I told you it's gonna cost.
So guys, I'm gonna drink more. But let's keep on playing. So let's go here. Wait, I forgot I can repeat. I can spawn at city streets. Oh man, I'm on wrong button. Kick. Yay. So guys, I'm gonna drink more. 10 suits. 10 zones and 19 back. 20 a bill. Suit, 10 plus suit, 10 plus zone, 90 plus backpacks, and 20 plus abilities. Okay. No, I'm gonna stay. Sorry, guys. Come back. To Mom. Get that Mom. Yeah. Wow, good time. The man got untrapped. Yes, I'm gonna be rich. I'm rich. Ah! Just kidding, I'm not rich. Where? Increase the max. Blah, 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 blah. PvP. Let's go to City Street. Wait, is there? Let's see who's the best man ever. Let's see. Oh. Where's Dennis? Oh man. Queen, man. You can get this man. Yeah. Just got you. Guys, we're getting to the God. Oh, the boss battle. Dun dun. Okay. I should buy my pants. Get this criminal. You're gonna die. You almost did. Yeah, I got him. Coins on that. Books. I'm not gonna be rich. Guys, we're gonna do the. I know I'm such a noob, but yes, I will. But I'm gonna run away. Yeah. Run, lab, go into lab, quick! can't teleport. Whoa. Whoa. I can literally go back into PvP. Back into PvP again. Wait, damn. So, guys, I got the banana off over here. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And the thing.